Hello friends, today I will discuss about a extension or a service that's called Vidiq. Vidiq nowadays most uses and most powerful SEO suggested service for YouTube videos. We can get our video tag idea, video keyword idea. Even we can get our video title and description idea from Vidiq. Vidiq have 4 plan. Usually basic plan for free for all users, but other 3 plans we need to pay for. So if we want to go with Pro plan, then we need to spend $7.5 per month, and Boost plan $39 per month, and Boost Plus $415 per month. In this video, I will show you how can we get Vidiq Pro plan without any cost. Let's start. First, we need to sign up for Vidiq account. We can use our mail separately, or we can just sign up with our Google account. If we sign up with Google account, then we don't need to do anything. Vidiq will be auto login. Let's click on sign up with Google account. Then we just need to select our Gmail account, which one we need to use. Here I am using this one. My Gmail have 2-step security, so Google just send me a OTP for verify. Now I am putting my OTP. After successfully login, we need to add a YouTube channel with our Vidiq account. We need to allow. They are asking to upgrade my plan to Boost. Now my plan is I am using basic plan, but they are asking to upgrade my account for Boost plan. I am just ignoring it. Now I will click on upgrade to Pro. Here, if we want to use a Pro service, then we need to spend $10 per month. Okay, I will use Pro plan for this video making purpose. Okay, let's start to upgrade to Pro. Here, they are asking $10, and we can pay with PayPal or credit card or debit card. Here we can use a promo code. If we use a promo code, then this $10 will be reduced. Promo code will be TISNK think. Then we need to click on here. You see that after use promo code, price reduced to 0. Here we need to use our credit card. Don't worry, I will put credit card link in my description section, so you can get credit card from my description section or first comment. Don't worry. Yep, my account now upgraded to Pro. So now we can use Pro feature. Thank you for watching.